Let me tell you the story about this little muñeca that I painted for my studio and why it is so special. Earlier this year, I visited San Miguel de Allende for an art retreat with my friends Rose and Yoli. And one of the features of this retreat was for us to learn all about mojigangas, which are the giant puppets you see at the fiestas and processions. And we're going to take a workshop from one of the makers of the mojigangas. So this is what we had to choose from. I went for the little doll, the muñeca, and I was so excited. I think that's it. That's the artist that's going to teach us. Hi! No joke, I am on stimulation overload right now. There's just so much, so many cool things going on. Here's the pieces to the muñeca, and it was kind of stressful working on this because this is a dream come true for me to go to San Miguel de Allende, one of my favorite places in the whole world, and to take an art workshop from one of the artists who lives and works there, to be able to check out the studio. Oh my gosh, there's just so much to take in. I took a little break from my table to go wander around in different closets, and I found a lot of cool things. I am fascinated with the behind the scenes. This alone was worth the whole trip, but time was running out. I had to go back to my table and finish my muñeca. Okay, here she is, her legs. He's drying her arms for me over there with the blow dryer. Some things are universal, right? My advice, as you travel, if you're into crafting or making things, look up local workshops that you can take from the different artists that live in wherever you are visiting. It makes such a difference. It makes your trip so much more meaningful. And now I have this beautiful doll to remind me of my experience of being there and working among all of these wonderful, creative people.